Hey guys, and welcome back to another TeckWrapCraft video. For today's project, we will be revamping this old tumbler using TeckWrap holographic vinyl. So TeckWrap has a wide range of holographic vinyls, and for this specific video, I will be using this holographic emerald green to make my Monstera SVG design. This vinyl has a glossy and gleaming effect and is perfectly durable for mugs, cups, and tumblers. There are a lot of color options available on the website and other types of TeckWrap's vinyls too. All TeckWrap products used in this video, including these weeding tools, will be linked in the description box below. Now you can see that I just cut my vinyl on the size that I intend to use, and I already placed it on top of my cutting mat. I will remove the protective layer first before loading this to my cutting machine. So now that our design is done cutting, I will be using the snap weeding technique to remove the negative vinyl out. As you can see, most of the unwanted vinyls are already gone with just one snap. Then I'm using my weeding tweezers to weed out the remaining unwanted vinyls from the design. Now let's press down a transfer tape to this vinyl and burnish it using a squeegee. Let's flip this over and burnish it again. Then slowly peel off the backing paper. So this is the old tumbler we'll be working on, and now I'm slowly placing the design on top and slowly wrapping it around. Here you can see I'm burnishing this end part so that I can remove the transfer tape and overlap the other end of the design. Then I'm burnishing the whole design while removing the transfer tape. There are instances that some vinyls will be sticking on your transfer tape, so just burnish it again and slowly peel off the tape. Now there's this empty part of the design, and I want to add a personalized name on it. So here I just cut and weeded out a custom name, and I'll be transferring this name to the tumbler. Now it's done! We just made this old boring tumbler into a trendy looking personalized tumbler. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give us a like and follow this channel to see more videos like this one. Bye!